Hello YouTube, we're on the Real Programming channel. I'm its host. My name is Dre, I greet you, welcome. This is our 34th lesson. We're talking about HTML JavaScript and topic integrating our new functions in JavaScript. So, and for start, let's talk about exercise or try this at home or don't try this at home, pushing Geo to the limit. Wouldn't it be fun to see how fast your browser can find your location? We could make it as hard for your browser as we can. Let's ask it to enable high accuracy. Let's not allow it to use a cache by setting maximum age to 0. Let's time it by setting the timeout option to 100 and then increase the timeout every time it fails. Warning, we don't know if all devices and their batteries are up to this, so use at own risk. Here is what the Intel options are going to look like. We'll start here, and if that fail, give it more time, and so on. Now check out the code on the next page. You'll find it quite interesting. Go ahead and type it in. You can just add it to your JavaScript in my luck. That JavaScript, try it on your various devices and record your results here. Device here, time here. And let's look on Sublime Text with our code, and don't forget, remember, you will find all the code and materials of this lesson under this video in description link to Google Drive. So where is our code? So this is our code. And then start by initializing our option with a timeout of 100 and the maximum age of 0. Do the usual here with displayLocation and the display error as our success and error handlers, and passing in options as the third parameter. We'll do the error handler first. This code here is the same, but in this case of a failure, we're going to increase the timeout option by 100 milliseconds and try again. We'll let the user know we're trying as well. When the browser successfully gets your option, we'll let the user know how long it took. Let's finish this up. When you sit back and think about it, with just a little HTML and JavaScript, you'd created a web app that not only can determine your location, but it can also track and display it in near real time. Whoa, HTML sure has grown up, and so have your skills. But speaking of this app, don't you think it needs just a little bit of polish it to finish it off? For instance, we could show your position on the map as you move around, and we could even go future and show where you've been to create a path through the map. What we're going to do to finish this up, and let's write a function to keep the map centered on your location as you move around, and drop a new marker each time we get a new position. Okay, we're going to call this function scroll. Let's look on Sublime Text. scrollMapToPosition function, and we're going to pass it a position's coordinates. And then the coordinates are going to be your latest new position. So we're going to center the map on the location and drop a marker there too. First, let's grab the new let and long and create Google Maps let and get object for them. The pen2 method of the map takes the let.lng object and scrolls the map so your new location is at the center of the map. Finally, we'll add the marker for your new location using the add marker function we wrote earlier, passing in the map let.lng object the title and some content for the new marker. Integrating our new function. Now all we need to do is update that display location function and to call scrollMapToPosition each time your position changes. Remember that the first time display location is called, we're calling showMap to create the map and display marker for your initial location. Each time after that we just need to call scrollMapToPosition to add a new marker and recenter the map. Here is the code change. The first time display location is called, we need to draw the map and add the first marker. And after that, all we need to do is add a new marker to the existing map. And one more time, our trail of markers on a recent trip from Wickedly Smart HQ to the secret underground layer. Or wait, we shouldn't have said it. And one more time, reload your page and start moving around. Is your map following you? You should see a trail of markers being added to your map as you move, unless you're sitting at your desktop. So we submit this application as a solid proof that wherever you go, there you are. Or try online on this address. And exactly, don't forget, remember, you will find all the code and materials of this lesson under this video and description link to Google Drive. You may open validator W3C and download the code and download Sublime Text if you want this. So, and next. So, next our topic is optimizing marker usage or bullet points, making your HTML location area final of this chapter and exercise solutions. So we will talk about this in the next lesson, and here is our 34 lesson about HTML and JavaScript is over. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, please put likes and share with friends, comment and eat bananas, chocolate and nuts, drink more water for the brain, don't forget this, and meditate, do exercise every evening on and then after you have done all the work. And so on. Thank you. Bye.